Hello everyone, I am Prashanjit Nandi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to find integration of some of the special functions, some of the functions of the form 1 by a plus b sin x or 1 by a plus b cos x. So I will discuss how to find those type of integration of the form 1 by a plus b sin x and 1 by a plus b cos x. To find the integration, we need to know some of the formulas, some of the trigonometric formulas of sin x and cos x. So what is the trigonometrical formula of sin x? So the formula of sin x is 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and the formula for cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So those two formulas we need to remember to solve those type of integrations. Now how to solve those type of integration? The integration of the form 1 by a plus b sin x and 1 by a plus b cos x. So let us see an example. Let us take an example as 1 by, so there is an integration 1 by 3 plus 4 sin x. Now how to solve this integration 1 by 3 plus 4 sin x here? Now we need to put the formula here. We know the formula of sin x is 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So we need to put the value here. Now it will become integration of dx by 3 plus 4 into the formula of sin x was 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now try to simplify it. So it will become integration of dx by 3 plus 8 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Try to simplify it more, then it will become dx by 3 into 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now it will become integration of 1 plus tan square x by 2 dx divided by 3 tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2 plus 3. So it will become like this. Now what is 1 plus tan square x by 2? We all know that 1 plus tan square x by 2 is nothing but sec square x by 2. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 will become sec square x by 2, and it will look like that integration of, it will look like integration of sec square x by 2 divided by 3 tan square x by 2 plus 8 tan x by 2 plus 3 dx. So now how to solve this type of integrations? We have discussed about how to solve this type of integrations in the previous cases. So for solving this integration we need to use substitution method. So we need to take something as z. So what to take as z? Now here the numerator is sec square x by 2. Now we need to find a function whose derivative will be sec square x by 2. So we have to take, we know the derivative of tan x is sec square x by 2. Tan x by 2 is sec square x by 2. So we have to take tan x by 2 as z here. Now substitute the value. So we take, let tan x by 2 equals to z. Now it will become sec square x by 2 into half dx equals to dz. So we can see sec square x by 2 dx equals to 2 dz. So now substitute this value here, it will become integration of 2 dz divided by 3. Now tan x by 2 is z, so it will become 3z square plus 8z plus 3. So now 2 into integration of dz by 3z square plus 8z plus 3. So this is the form we have reached. Now how to solve this type of equations? So we have discussed it in the previous videos that this is a type 1 case. So how to solve this type of equations? Now there is the new denominator is here 3z square plus 8z plus 3. In the previous video I have discussed how to solve this type of equation. We need to make it as a square form. So here it is of the form 3z square plus 8z plus 3. So first of all, the coefficient of z square is 3. Try to make coefficient of z square as 1. So to make coefficient of z square as 1, we take 3 common out from here, and it will become, so it will become now, after taking 3 out of here, it will become 2 by 3 integration of dz by z square plus 8 by 3z plus 1. Now try to make it as a square form. Now how to make it as a square form? We need to apply the formula of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square here. So it will become 2 by 3 integration of dz z square plus 2ab a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2 into a into b. So here b is 4 by 3 plus b square, that is 4 by 3 whole square. Now 4 by 3 whole square was not present here, so we have to subtract 4 by 3 whole square here. Now plus 1. So here first 1 it will become a plus b whole square, that is dz by z plus 4 by 3 whole square, and plus 1 minus 16 by 9. Now try to calculate it. It will become minus 7 by 9, that is 2 by 3 integration of dz by z plus 4 by 3 whole square, and it will become minus something minus 7 by 9, that is root over of 7 by 3 whole square. So it is of the form x square minus s square 1 by x square minus s square. So we know the formula integration of 1 by x square minus s square is 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So it will become 1 by 2a, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 2a root 7 by 3 into log mod x by x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now this will become 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. It will become 1 by root 7 log. Now substitute the value of z. We know z is sin x, so putting the value of, sorry, z is tan x by 2. Now putting the value of z here, it will become tan x by 2 plus 4 minus root 7 by 3 divided by tan x by 2 plus 4 plus root 7 by 3 plus c. So this will be the answer of integration of dx by 3 plus 4 sin x. Now similarly, we can find the integration of 3 plus 4 cos x, 1 by 3 plus 4 cos x, or 4 plus 5 cos x, or anything of the form 1 by a plus b cos x. We have to put the value of cos x, that is 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 there, and simplify it such a way that the numerator will become sec square x by 2, and take tan x by 2 as z there, and we will get the answer. So this is the way we have to find the integration of 1 by a plus b sin x or 1 by a plus b cos x types. For today, thank you.